If you cannot see incoming calls from WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy A37, if WhatsApp doesn't display those calls, then in order to try to fix this issue, first we're gonna go to Settings. Now here in Settings, we should be able to scroll down and we want to go to Apps. In Apps, we're gonna find WhatsApp, so we want to scroll down and then choose WhatsApp in here. The first thing that we can do is we can go to Notifications. You want to make sure that notifications are enabled. You can of course also toggle sound and vibration and make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled. Besides that, you can also go to permissions, and of course we need to make sure that all the necessary permissions are granted. Usually they are, but if for some reason they have been removed or something, then of course we can grant them. You can just simply tap on any of these permissions that we have available in here, and you can allow them to be used by the app. There we go. So in my case, I'm gonna include almost everything. Location is not really necessary, but I'm gonna enable the microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, phone for sure. I believe this is one of the most important ones. Photos and videos permission. There we go. And SMS. There we go. So now we can of course check if you actually made any changes in permission. You want to check if that helps. If still you cannot see incoming calls, another thing that you can do is you can go to the storage in here in these settings and you want to clear cache. But if you clear cache and it still doesn't work, you want to clear data. But actually before you clear data, you want to make sure that you have a backup of all your chats and messages in order to be able to restore them, because if you clear data, you will be locked out of your account. So you will lose all your messages as well. So make sure to get a backup so you can easily restore them later on. So if needed, clear the data as well. And you might be redirected to the settings of WhatsApp Messenger app. So you can go there and you can of course confirm that you want to clear it. Now if still you cannot see those incoming calls, the last thing that you can do is you can simply uninstall the app completely. Actually, before we do that, there is one more thing. I forgot about it, but now I remember. We can also go to the battery, and then you can make sure that the battery over here, this option is set to either optimized, but if it is already optimized, or if you change to optimized and it didn't help, you can set it to unrestricted. However, you want to be careful with this option simply because if it's set to unrestricted, the app may drain your battery quite quickly. So if you notice that your battery runs, if your phone runs out of the battery faster now, after changing that option, you might want to check the battery usage of the app and just make sure that it's not the case, of course. And if it is, then you can switch back to optimized. But still, if you have issues with these incoming calls, if they are still not being displayed on the phone, then the last thing that you can do is you can simply uninstall the whole app, and then you can install it again from the Play Store. And then hopefully it's going to be fixed. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.